Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to create your own private server on Roblox. So once you have Roblox opened up like so, you're gonna go to this little search bar in the upper right corner and you're just going to basically search for any game. Any game would work. So once you open it up, you're gonna scroll down and right at the very end where all the social media icons are, you're gonna see this little tab that says servers. So you're going to tap on that, and once it opens up, you're going to see the option to create your own private server. So go to that and basically just type in the server name, type in whatever you'd like. And once you're done with that, you're going to be able to join the server like so. So that is all. That is all for this video today. If this was helpful, of course, like and subscribe to support the channel. And see you in the next one. Bye-bye.